How to connect Shopee to TikTok. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. Now there isn't much any integration that we could do between these two platforms. There are very limited things that we could actually do. But the things that we could do is to share our shop link, our own shop link into our TikTok shop or TikTok account. So typically in Shopee, you will be provided, of course, your own link of your own store. So for example, we could check out this platform over here. They have a link to their store. So you could have this available on your TikTok shop by simply getting your link over here, and you could utilize platforms such as Linktree, Link3 as in TREE, which will allow you to connect multiple links and have them be posted on your bio. You could also post directly on your TikTok account bio, your TikTok or your Shopify or Shopee link over here, your store Shopee link. You could also try and do that on specific products as well if you want to promote your own product inside of TikTok. That's a method that you will be able to try. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.